Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can unpublish your Facebook page, because sometimes we want to unpublish our Facebook page. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So if this video will be helpful for you, then please give like this video, because it helps me that YouTube algorithm will promote my video. So firstly, open your Facebook application, and here you will see three lines on top right. Click on it, and then you will see arrow options. Click on it, and then select the page which you want to unpublish. So for example, I want to unpublish this Facebook page, so I will click on it, and you can see my Facebook profile will switch to that page. So after that, you will see three lines on top right. Click on it, and then scroll down the page, and you will see setting and privacy options. Click on it, then click on setting, and here you can see page setting options. Click on it, then scroll down the page, and you will see access and control options. Click on it, and here you can see deactivations or deletion options. Click on it. So here you can see deactivate page or delete page. Deactivate page mean this can be temporary. It's mean that your page will be unpublished or disabled. So if you want to unpublish or deactivate your page, then click on it and click on continue. So after that, select any reason. This is temporary, I will be back. So you can select it according to you. So for example, I am selecting this. So after that, you can see, so here write any reason, so or select any reason. So after that, click on continue. And here you can see, if I want to reactivate my account in 7 days, then you can select it according to you. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or will not reactivate automatically. Because when you will select days, then on that date your account will reactivate automatically. So select do not reactivate automatically until you will not activate your page. So after that, click on continue. So after that, click on continue. So here you will see the options of before you deactivate, you can transfer your informations. So if you do not, so here you can see page deactivation. So before you deactivate, you can transfer your information. So after transferring, so if you do not want to transfer, then you can click on continue. So after that, you can see deactivate page. Click on deactivate page. So in this way you can unpublish or deactivate your page. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.